In Ragic, you can use the custom print report feature to export data into different file formats, like PDF, Word, or PNG. For example, you can generate a quotation with your company logo, a contract containing multiple terms, or even a letter of appreciation. There are three main ways to export data files from Ragic. The first method is by clicking the Tools menu, where you can choose to export directly as an Excel or PDF file. This method is suitable when the Ragic sheet already matches the desired output format and doesn't require further layout adjustments or design work. If the file you wish to generate looks quite different from your original Ragic sheet, for example, you want to add a logo, hide certain fields, insert specific text, or apply more flexible formatting, you can consider using either the mail merge or custom print report features. Both features allow you to generate files in specific formats, but they have some differences in their capabilities. For example, the mail merge function exports to Word and Excel, while the custom print report function currently does not support export in Excel but can export in PDF, Word, and PNG format. Although Mail Merge and Custom Print Report can both export to Word files, Mail Merge does not support exporting subtables to Word. For example, if you have a quotation that includes detailed line items you need to export as a Word document for a vendor to confirm, you should use Custom Print Report instead. If you need to generate multiple files at once, such as printing several business cards or ID badges in one go, the Mail Merge feature would be more convenient. Since Custom Print Report is a newer feature, it currently only generates one file at a time. You can choose the best method and feature to use based on your requirements. For instance, if you need to generate files in batches, use Mail Merge. If you need to export to PDF, PNG, or a Word document that includes subtable data, use Custom Print Report. This video will focus on the Custom Print Report feature. If you'd like to learn more about other data export methods, please refer to the tutorial videos linked in the description box below. Now let's dive into the Custom Print Report tutorial. Let's take this quotation as an example. Suppose I want to generate a PDF file for my client, but there are certain fields, like gross profit margin calculations, that I don't want my client to see. I also want to add my company logo along with some terms and conditions. Once I have created a custom print report, I can simply click the button on the bottom right corner to instantly generate a PDF that fits all these requirements without having to set up the formatting every single time. Now let's demonstrate this. Choose Custom Print Report under the Tools menu. We'll need to upload a Word document to let the system know how we want the layout to look like. From there, the system will use this layout to generate the PDF. Click Next. If you have not created the template yet, you'll see an option that says, "No, please provide a default template for me to modify." Click Download to get the default template. You can then customize it to match the layout you want. For example, you can first delete any fields that are unnecessary or that you don't want the client to see, so they won't be included in the final document. You can insert your company logo at the top by adding an image and adjusting its size and position. At the bottom, you can add text such as quotation terms or other relevant notes. Of course, you can also adjust the text content, formatting, and layout according to your needs. If any fields are missing or accidentally deleted, you can manually add them back using the field ID. For independent fields, the parameter should be written as curly brace d.field ID curly brace. For example, if I accidentally deleted the quotation number field, I can retype the field name and input curly brace d.1003342, where I want the field value to show. The field ID can be found in design mode. It is important to note that if your sheet includes free text fields where users might press Alt plus Enter to insert line breaks, you'll need to manually adjust the field parameter in the template. Add $convcrlf after the field ID so that the output will correctly display line breaks. For subtables, you'll need 2 rows on your Word table, one for the header and one for the data. Use square bracket I and square bracket I+1 to differentiate the two. Headers will look like open curly brace d.subtable ID square bracket I close bracket dot field ID close curly brace. while the data rows will look like open curly brace d dot subtable id square bracket I plus 1 close bracket dot field id close curly brace, and the system will populate all the data from the subtable. If your sheet contains an image upload field, the downloaded template will include a placeholder image that says, "This is a temp image." Right-click on it and choose to view alt text to see the field parameters in the description box. If the image field allows multiple image uploads, the image won't appear directly. Instead, the placeholder will show as plain text. Similar to handling free text fields with line breaks, you'll need to add img:/HTML after the field ID. This ensures that all uploaded images will be included in the output. After making these changes, save your Word document. Let's go back to Ragic and click Next. If you forgot any field parameters when designing your template, don't worry. You can refer to the field value syntax reference here for a full list of available parameters. Next, enter the name for the report, such as Create Quotation PDF. Then click Choose File to upload the template you just designed. After uploading, you'll see a preview of the customized template on the screen. Click on the gear icon next to the report name and go to Advanced Setting. Here, you can set the access rights, so only authorized users can access the report button to download files. You can also set the file name format based on any field in the form. You can choose the exported report file format. The currently supported formats are PDF, Word file, and PNG. In this case, I'll select PDF. Once everything is set, click Save Report and Finish. Now you'll notice a report button in the lower right corner of your sheet. Clicking it will instantly generate the customized PDF file. Ragic also has a built-in email feature that allows you to directly attach a custom print report file. For example, if you often need to send a completed quotation to a customer, you can go to the Tools menu and select Email this entry. Then, simply choose to include the custom print report file. You can also go into design mode and create an action button to send out the quotation. This way, you no longer need to compose an email and attach the file manually every single time. We have another tutorial video that covers this in detail. You'll find the link in the description below. And that's it for the introduction to Ragic's custom print report feature. If you'd like to see more tutorials, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any updates.